The MA600 frame can be quickly folded and disassembled for transporting to multiple locations. This video will demonstrate how to assemble the MA600 calibration frame. First, we will unpack the base package, stand and crossbar package, and target board package. Review packing list and ensure all needed parts are present. The base package contains the stand and crossbar package contains the target board package contains assemble the calibration frame. Place the base on a flat and level surface. Rotate hand knobs to secure the base to the ground. Connect the stand to the base by placing the slot over the pins. Tighten the knobs to lock the stand in place. Push the locking lever up. Position the crossbar on the reflection plate with the arrow sign facing the front. Push in plate until the arrow aligns with a marked line. Lock the crossbar in place. Loosen the knobs on each side and raise both sides of the crossbar. Secure the crossbar. Insert the laser measurement unit into its holder. The laser unit should be seated on the bottom of the holder. Install the 2-line laser on the laser holding plate. Lock the safety snap hook. Now the calibration frame is ready to use. If you have any questions or concerns about assembling your Autel ADAS equipment, please contact our Autel support team. Thank you for watching this video and for being a valued Autel customer.